Hey guys, I'm Tariq Jamal from Tariq360 YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to create an awesome YouTube thumbnail without any Photoshop, Illustrator or any photo editing software. So at first create an account on canva.com. Registration link in provided in the description below. Okay, let's start. At first click on create a design. Then you can select the template ready here, or you can write the custom dimension by clicking on custom dimension. So I will make a thumbnail in 1920 by 1080 pixel. So I'm writing here, click on create design. Okay, a blank window opened. Now you can select template from here, or you can start from scratch. So I am starting from scratch. At first I'm clicking on text. Now you can also select the text template from here, or you can start from scratch. I'm starting from scratch. Now click on here and write down something. How to create. Okay, you can change the font here. Okay, you can duplicate it here by clicking duplicate. Now resize, move by clicking on mouse. How to create an awesome, select it and change the font. Awesome. Now I am duplicating it. YouTube, resize it. Okay, now I'm duplicating it again. So sorry, 2 times duplicated. Thumbnail. Okay, resize it. You can undo anything by, I'm deleting it, undo anything by pressing Ctrl Z from the keyboard, like other software. Undo. Okay, I'm also changing the font here. It's not looking good. Okay, how to create an awesome YouTube thumbnail. Now I'll give the background color here. Ready-made template are available. Many ready-made template are available here. It's not looking good. It's looking somehow good. I'm trying to find more background. Sorry, it's black. It's not so good. I'm selecting this. You can now also add elements by clicking on elements. You can search elements from here. I'm searching for arrow. You can search anything here. I'm selecting it, resize it. You can rotate by here, clicking this. Okay, you can also change the color from here. Select it and You can find the color. Okay, I'm selecting other color. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'm uploading a picture. Click on upload and you can upload an image from your PC, custom image. I already uploaded this picture previously. It is saved, so I'm clicking on subscribe, resize it, then here I'm placing it here, resize, I'm resizing it here. Okay, you can also change the color of the text. Good looking color, it's gray. You can select another color. Awesome YouTube. I'll give it red color. Click on color. Okay, thumbnail. For thumbnail I'm selecting the same color as above. You can also align text to the left, right or center by clicking it. Okay, you can write the all letter, capital letter or small. My all letter are also capital, so you can also change the spacing, letter spacing or line height. Line height is working if you have more than one line on text position. You can set this text or element forward, backward or left, right, center. Okay, it's not big matter. Spacing, I'm reducing the spacing. Okay, so you can also change the font size from here. Okay, you can lock, you can also lock this element. Now it's not working. You can lock also this element for working on other elements, so I'm unlocking it again. Click on it and it will be unlocked. Sorry, I'm unlocking it. Okay, you can also change the transparency of the element. Now I will add some elements from here. Right, square or rectangle. Okay, add element as you need, resize it. Okay, I'm sending it to the back position and backward, backward. Okay, now I'll change the color of the element. 3 color: upper layer, middle layer and back layer. Okay, for front layer I'll use, no, red color is not good looking. Yellow color, yes, it's good looking. That's good. You can also add more effect. Okay, you can also add more custom image from here. Click on more and you will see the many service list here, uh, like pixels, pixabay, add and embed, add emojis. Okay, I will search for emojis. I will add this emojis. It's looking good. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. I am resizing it here from here. Deleting it here. That's good. You can also create folder here and uh, add your design onto this menu. Now what will I do? You can also use Giphy and use Giphy format. Although Giphy format does not support on still thumbnail, so you don't need this. You also use your Facebook photos, add an embed videos, use your Instagram photos, Google Maps. You can also use Google Maps. I don't need this right now. Okay. uh, you can also change the background from here. It's not good. It's also not good looking good. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking more good. Okay. I am choosing for more background, or you can also use only background color from here. Okay, finally I'll save the design, click on publish and click on download. You can also add transparent background if you upgrade your Canva account to the pro version. You can find the link of pro version, download find the registration link of pro version in the description below. Okay, I don't need transparent background right now because I didn't use any uh, transparent background in this thumbnail, so I'll only select PNG and click on download. Now save this file in your folder. Write the name of how to create an awesome YouTube thumbnail without Photoshop. Okay, click on save. It is saved. Now we'll see the preview. Okay, that's pretty good. Now you can use this thumbnail on your YouTube videos. That's all for today. If you have any problem regarding to this matter, write down the comment below. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel to get new update. Thanks again for watching.